So let me ask you something, bro. If someone wants to get in touch with you tonight, they see
Sure,
this live, they see this video after the fact, how can they get in touch with you? And
sure.
why should they get in touch with you?
Yeah, I mean, the best way to get in touch with me would be going to our website, which is, I'll spell it out, is unikmediagroup.com. And there you should be able to get in touch with me and my team. And if you're somebody that wants to learn or knows how to do pay per call, there's going to be a menu there to get you there. And if it's a business that is looking to increase their customer acquisition, there should be a link there as well, and you will get in contact with our sales team or with our affiliate management team.
All right, you could either go back and watch it, but we're also gonna put the links in the bottom of this video once this thing goes live, once it actually goes repurposed. So you get all that information, but make sure that you check it out. Like I said, he has that award for a reason, not because of what you think, it's because he's good about what he does in marketing. Okay, so Carlos, man, I appreciate you taking the
Hey,
time. It was a
thanks.
special
Thank
notice
you.
today.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
man.
Thank you.
And I know that your time is valuable, and I'm one. Let's go.
I had to do the clap, I'm a
Let's
streamer.
go.
I had to do it.
Awesome.
You got it, man. No, but thank you, appreciate it. We
Thank
we
you.
hope to have you soon enough and come back into the show. Again, guys, if you're interested, make sure you go on the bottom of this video. Like you say, he says ulinkmediagroup.com, and you'll see in there if you're interested in that, not only to become a student, but you also want to employ them for their services. They're valuable. It works. The guy is making money not only for himself but for all the business owners. But he's able to actually get that award because it's recognized nationally about what he knows how to do. So who else better to call, right? Not Ghostbuster, but Carlos Corona.
You said it. I was gonna say it. But you said it.
I
Go
read
for
your
it.
mind, so me and Brock are actually in sync. I just needed to say that before.
I love it. Thank you so much for having me. I know it was last minute, and you literally told me 2 hours before the show, and I was like, you know what, I'm ready. And I just saw the questions for the first time when we were live. So.
I know, man, but I love it, brother. And if
Thanks,
you can help
Carlos.
anything with the business, please don't hesitate. And once again, guys, make sure you give this guy a call, give this company a chance, because it'll be worth your time. Make sure you
Thank
check
you.
it out at the bottom of the video. What's up?
Before I go, and I'm sorry to interrupt
Sure,
you.
go.
No, before I go, I wanted to ask you if you're willing to come into one of my Money Making Mondays shows.
Definitely.
And if you're willing to talk about business credit and how you can,
Let's go, baby.
about business credit, how you can. Most of my viewers are business owners, so
Yes.
if you can talk about business credit and how they can, how you can share tips and.
Oh
share
yeah.
your company
I mean,
information.
we could talk for hours, man. And I was drinking too, because if we're drinking, I'm going for a while.
You can drink, but it's Mondays at 12 p.m. Eastern time. I don't know if you drink.
All right, so it's got to be 5 o'clock somewhere, right?
You're more than welcome to drink if you want to. I'm definitely having coffee in my cup at 12.
You definitely be having coffee. Yeah, okay, got it. No, but definitely, thank you for the invitation. We definitely will be there,
Thanks,
right?
Carlos. Yeah.
Awesome, I appreciate it. I'll send you guys the invite. And again, thank you me for having me, and I hope that I added value some way.
Oh no, I mean, we saw people actually going back and forth on all social medias. We'll go ahead and answer all those questions, send all that information to a lot of them. But we appreciate it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Carlos, thank you for having us. Brock, thank you for your time today and drinking with us. Till the next time,
guys.
this is Carlos Estrada Vega with Business Funding and Whiskey. See you next time.